Yeah, g'day, Bush Camping Tools here. Well, we're at the kind of beginning of winter. I'm in the northern hemisphere, one of my favorite places out here. You can see there's a little bit of snow around, not much. It's kind of trying to rain a bit. It's been a bit warm in the last couple of days. But we're going to try and get up here a bit and see how far we can go. I'll just take the camera there for a minute from the cameraman. So just to show you, right, up here, okay, we're going to try and go around in there. And as I said, there's a little bit of snow over there, not much. I don't think we're going to get much snow at all today. It's kind of a bit wet, you know. There's a track over there. That one goes up to the mountain too, to the summit. We're going to try a more interesting track up this way and see how we get on. All right then, let's get moving. Okay, so we're a bit further up the mountain now. See, there's a bit more snow on the ground, not much. As I said, it's trying to snow. It's, you know, this ice kind of stuff. It's not, you know, too serious here or whatever, but it's a really nice track. And in summer, we actually, just over here, we had a barbecue there, actually just at the beginning of autumn, really. So anyway, let's just keep going up here a bit further and see if we can get into a bit more snow. All right, we've come a bit further up the mountain. There's the sun there, doing a bit of complaining, but that's where we came from down there. There's a little bit of snow in the lower lying areas, but we've still got a ways to go. Got to go up this saddle and crisscross back across here and see if we can get up near the summit. I don't know, it's already like 11 o'clock, so I'm not so sure about that, but we'll see. All right. Okay, coming up to the summit of this hill. I can't see anything, of course, because we're right in the midst of it now. Here we go. Yeah. Didn't expect to see anything anyway, but can I show you anyway? Let's have a look around here where the summit would be, and it's in that direction over there. I have to take my word for it. We're a good hour from it, but we're going to go down a bit further to have some lunch. It's too exposed up here. Underneath some conifers, here's some pines here, low-lying conifer, but there's not enough shelter there, and it's too windy up here, you know. Boiling hot now at the moment, but you have to remember when you're walking in the cold, you can be boiling hot. Resist the urge to strip off, and because you cool down really quickly and stuff. Sun's coming up from over there. You might be able to see that green pack. He's moving over there. We'll just come up here a bit further to the top, and then we will head back down the valley and probably have a fire or something like that. Anyway, it's just a bit of a day out with Bush Camping Tools and family. Thanks for watching. Have fun in a bit of snow on the mountain. Time to go back, and we'll probably have a break. As I said earlier on, underneath some conifers, give some protection. These pines here don't give them a protection. I can hear some other, there's another track I know over there. I can hear some voices. We're still a long way from the summit. As I said, the summit's in that direction, and it's quite some meters above us, but yeah, not today. Could have better weather. All right. Tasty?
Ice water.
Ice water.
Not tons of it. Like an apple.
Okay, Don't know why I'm taking this picture other than the fact I love this tree. It's a fantastic old beech. Who knows how old it is? But it's got this absolutely warped growth habit. It's not straight up and down. We're on the side of the mountain, and it's an amazing tree. We come up here in summer and we find a lot of mushrooms around here. And that, but now of course it's snowing and no such thing now. So what I've done is I'm taking some of this pine. We're still up on top of the hill because down below there's a lot of beech. It's really hard to get going in a fire. We're just gonna have a bit of a fun fire. So I'm gonna take some of this stuff now. This will be easy to light. I just shove it in my son's pack here. Okay, so he's already got stuff shoved in there now. Be very easy to light. Okay, got to get the fire going first go here because it's really quite wet and cold. And just lock that off. I'll put the pin in. It doesn't really need the pin, I think, but I'm going to shove it in there anyway because it's for that. Just get rid of some of this wet stuff. It's just to increase the surface area, that's all. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's take off this damp bark. Right. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing going. Back a bit, it's one angle. Okay, buried some sticks under here on the way up the mountain, just to keep them dry as well. And what I'm going to do is first light this pine and then this over that and get this other pine on top of here like that. And hopefully we can get this going, something going in there. Let's try it with not all the birch bark to begin with. Try to hang on to some of it. I don't want to muck around here. That's great. See what can happen there. I think that'll go. Okay, let's get some wood on, some more wood onto that. Move it around a bit. Get rid of this wet bark on here. It's just not wet, it's just damp, you know. Alright, okay. So there we have it, a bit of a fire out and about. Okay, look at this, we just found some, it's really, there's snow on the ground over there, and son just found some fairy ring champignon. They could be alright still because they kind of preserve well, and maybe they could be good. We'll take them, yeah. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so that's where we just came from up there beforehand. You can just see the sun's just about ready to finish up on that peak up there where it's just cleared up for a little bit. We're up there about 2 hours, yeah, a bit before 2, maybe 3 hours ago we're up there. And anyway, we're gonna come all the way back down there, and we're heading down there. We've not far to go now, maybe about another hour or so back down to a road. Okay.